Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. So how to repair your PDF file online and free. Okay, so guys, open Chrome browser. The best website is I Love PDF. Okay, so click this link and upload repair PDF. Okay, and select and upload and then okay. So upload and few minutes scanning and then you can download properly. Okay, this is for first website. Now I am giving you second website. Sejda. So this is also second and same repair PDF, but this website is very advanced, recover data from corrupted or damaged PDF document. Second, and now I am giving you third website. PDF to go. Upload repair PDF, the fix broken PDF with this PDF repair tool. Repair PDF file quick and easy to use and PDF to go, powerful tool set. Okay, so guys, you if your corrupted PDF file, so you can try different sites and download and please check. If your issue is not solved, please comment me, I will make a different video. Okay.